Who they cry? Who they zuzu? Where my people? May my people can't join me. Oh, yeah, me make a fridge. I need water. See as I this makeup, you know they quit they come out. Who they cry? Who they cry? Who they cry for social media? Who they zuzu? Mommy paid a beauty. I don't go rub my daddy back, come back. Who they cry? Oh, the boy Pepe de swell. Pepe de. Bola de Pepe de mo. Pepe de. Who they cry? Who they cry? Who they zuzu for social media? Who they zuzu? Who they cry? Where did they beat to now? Is a go. Is a go. Is a go. They get daddy. They get daddy to rub me back. They get daddy. Who they zuzu? Who they cry? Now me be Bobby P. That why they do like ma. Who they? Alpha for that bushmeat. Hello. Later. They will not enjoy, sha. The party was a bar. Me can't tell my way now. Where you this? Then you tell me now. Make I take care of her. Who they? Thank God for the success of my girlfriend's wedding today. I get story for my lover, so but this time it's all about enjoyment. Wanna let me enjoy first. If I come back, I'll come give you a gist. And I don't say that precious make the run now. I really do. I really do. I might shake breast for me. I can't tell you that waiting they sup. Hey, there be one try. They don't say you can't battle. You cannot battle with a gallant single mother. I'm a guy you go why you hate when last can check up. Yeah. Now we they run now. My point, my gile. Now that gile small chops. When now anything they give me for the party when I go today, they say that one, the anything. For what? No, that anything. That anything. Come, when I even give you now, you say I give Chama yesterday. Why when I want give you? That one, my just I exchange that palm wine now. That like I that 4 liter palm wine come from you. That palm wine. No, that one for that one, no. I feel buy any other thing or wine, but that one is no. I just even when they just give me that in today, I say I want to go give daddy. I think I party yesterday. Now we dey run now. Now we dey run now. Now we dey run now. He said that you arrest me. For where? Oh, where? Mr. Lawash. Some people they create on social media. Me for Bini. I remember I they post all my pictures when I take go party today, go dance. Give me that souvenir. Oh, this a list souvenir to make sense, sha. Where the rice? Party there for you. Oh, this. See our souvenir. We don't go party, come back. Today groove not get part 2. See, now we run now. We go party, we dance, gay. That means mommy P. Hey, I enjoy my party today. I enjoy to the last. Who they breathe? Who they zuzu? Who they craze? Who they cry? Now we they run now. Now we dead those states. Now we they run now. Now we they run now. Hey, I remember give my gile my chop. Now I pepper them small. You say they call? You call her? I carry what my gile. I get small chops so. What they give me? My eater. And personally, this I want to eat for us. So, I don't want anybody use and touch and beg. They just they cry for social media. I use that to romance my daddy. Voila. Eh? No, wow. What is the happen now? That be more be we Nigeria. Now we the runner. Now we the runner. We don't dey make noise. We don't make noise, guys. Our pictures are loading. I so much thank God for the success of my friend's wedding today. It was a bomb. We enjoyed ourselves to the fullest. Diasporas were on grants. Where that this thing they eat? That noodles. In-law. How far? Noodles. Noodles. Since you never bring a corner. Now that's egile and bushmeat. Now why it? If you see the we are made that this thing, that's only the snake, only the bushmeat, the jollof rice. This caterer for that first party when I go. Now two party I go today. The two party I went to today was a bomb. The two party I went to was a bomb. The first party now this is so kitchen. This girl no we birthday cake in my no we birthday cake in that day again. That girl eso. Now she cooked that one. She just dish am for me. Berekete. Say mama. She just sit before I can go that Elin. Elin was a bomb. We enjoyed. I don't know why social media people they cry. Mona leave me and my daddy. We and my daddy. Mona leave us alone. Daddy way they try. Now I got daughter they lawyer for. Daddy way they try. Now I got daughter they use and they rub it back. I know someone I go cry and I make me post that video. Because now daddy way that they deny, now that they shocking for corner. I cannot deny my daddy. My daddy. That will be the change again mothers where they roll with the big boys. We roll with the big boys. My daddy. My daddy. Oh, Salobo. And then they can carry me go barbecue. I want to eat barbecue this evening. My favorite nugget. Open now. Open. Oh, think. My son. Honey. Daddy. Stay la real life. Mume veni na. Ima no show. Egwa. Mume veni na. Yet it's a lot. Domo. You go egwa. This is what they gave to me my party. I'm on number one. You miss so when you come out a party cast again. Thank you. See the and he said I give me for party today based on who I be. LA Chris, anything things. Now mommy Pio. Hey, who they Zuzu see my small chops. Oh boy, you eat. Now it's more not take for inside now. Is it not you? Oh, your tongue. Give me one. I beg of a live video. Don't you ever outside, please. Don't you ever. Why? Look. Only what did happen there? What no? Yes, yeah, I'm not going to. That's the way what we have here on social media. Where go? So. Hey, seafood where they give mommy beef for takeaway. Then they shop this kind of food. No. Now woman when they try, now they give this kind of food for party. That way bad diagno. Who they Zuzu? Who they cry? They shop again like this. They shop like this. No. They pay them. Why is it doing? I will continue to use hand to rub my daddy's back so that the BP go the low. Now daddy will get company. Now they use and rub their back. Not be liabilities. Daddy, I need Fanta. Imagine Fanta no way this daddy. No, you then I can't know that lawyer. I need a lawyer not for me. I wait now. I no. This my lawyer, you know this. Say for one something that the lawyer. Anyway, let's support the yeah. Now that's the way they try. Now with the lawyer for. What is it now? Now what come on? I want to go drop it. I want to go drop it. No, I can't make so much. May this rice say to go sweet. Are you okay? Perfect. You're perfect, okay. Me wa wo. Iwa gbese die di wa ku. Iwa ku se die. Mommy say 1 minute. Ima ko. My lady, can you imagine the big guy Mr. Lawai is saying now? Why they can make Mr. Lawai? Who can organize the four? Which night again? Now today we started to see like I said they sleep with my godfather. I know they deny now, not the facts. Anyway, anything. Who do I owe explanation? I owe person explanation. You people should stop listening to people that are depressed. And they come social media. If after all my enjoyment, money to buy tickets from Nigeria not easy. After all my enjoyment, I'll come on social media to tell you what's up. I may be precious men. Normal guy you go last card that you hear where check. Are we the runner? Are we there being? Now we there. Come on, let them they cry. Not easy to find now. No, it's not easy to get daddies. Why do that video? I be me banana. People when they talk about me for their lives, is this year my baby now? So why could they bother myself? So I don't even know where they sell tickets to Nigeria. So they don't swear for Nigeria for you. What for now? No, leave the NC. No. And for daddy.
Which you make sure daddy need for conquer.
Don't use it now.
Give me that card, go. I'm not going to
make I go.
You finish it.
I know if you finish it. Daddy way they try. Let me the lawyer for. Daddy way they try. Now they take kind of romance body. Daddy way they try. Now they touch this my 2 melon. Daddy. Daddy. Oh, you don't want my day social media. Daddy here. Only today. Grant me only today for social media. Now I don't do life again. You shall why you provoke? Wait it there now. I should go. Daddy don't charge. Why you again? I need stop here. I'm just making fun with my friends now. I'm like it. Stop it. I understand the way that you. Okay, honey, like I need Fanta. Fanta. I need Fanta.
Okay, you eat rice. Is this in the morning?
May if you go give me this thing. Can't be down. I need Fanta. Let's go, bro. No, man, you must sing anyway, man. I said I needed Fanta. Tomorrow. In fact, it's a bishop.
You want Bristol come from? Come from you.
First, I come from though. She no want me to do Facebook. Remember, you're not that. It's my own. I need to be complicated sometimes. Man, like career. Wait, see. Now just fun video now. I want pepper those people where they cry. Say they use how they rub my daddy body. Yeah, if they need bucket, no give the bucket. Because that daddy will get company, Caterpillar company, now with the romance. You know, easy. Not how much people. One Caterpillar go buy their generation. Women. Now that's the way you get better money for account. Now with the lawyer for. What do you cow leg? Hey, Jesus, see cow leg. See cow leg. They eat this kind of food. And they eat this kind of food. Don't know now you go for me. Now precious make you like a German. Oh, Baba. And I be very bad. Oh, they'll say this woman just this single mother just come Nigeria come they flex big boys. You know easy. We have paid our dues. And that's the way they try. And I mean they lawyer for. You eat mama? Bros, daddy. Me eat this one. We snake. I want snake, John. So now see snake now. Me no they, you know say me no they eat meat. Now snake me they eat. I know they eat meat. My put snake for you. Me no they eat snake. Me no they eat meat too. Maybe now way. But take it every now. See another snake. This one is even bigger. Another snake.
Okay.
See, mama. Might leave the cow leg for you.
Give me snake.
Snake dey there now. Cow leg dey.
Which one you want to eat?
Me I know they eat meat. Now snake me they eat.
Take your snake.
No, it's. The cow leg too big. You don't tire me. Away go via the social media. What did they be there? There's a crack. So this one. That's one did this one. Big grass. See another one here. See what I done it today alone. But this man, you know, as I call a friend, this Nigerian one I come, I enjoy. See the another snake. My friend, another snake. See cow leg. See cow leg. See mama. Me I wear more. Now I can't bring you a bed. Now what commands? Sick mama. Oh yeah. Mona, where my water? I think your water is a fridge. Mona, I can now. Cover on. Now do you see this thing from my home? Ah, this jollof rice is so sweet, I swear. No, I don't feel it again. Don't be full. Souvenir. Hey, some people never know what they call souvenir for their life. They don't even see who they invite them. I'm not going to want to give them souvenir. Oh boy, seafood. Who they eat this kind of food? If I don't love you, waiting I give. Daddy, so I love you so much, Daddy. My honey is treating me like a queen that I am. Okay, well, when I take care, look for it. I don't know where it is. Where is it? Where are we? Okay. That's bad. Yeah, what me have here? That's the no. Sous level. Campaign. And you, like we. Why are people so concerned about Precious Meg issue? I'm using it now. No. A plastic, no, not thick. Can manage any. Honey, why are people so concerned about my matter? It means I'm a celebrity. There must be something special about me. Huh? I'm a special breed. Take this. I'm all yours tonight. Don't worry. People are always concerned about me. I'm very happy that I make people feel good talking about me. I'm so happy. Funny anything. It means there is something special about me on Yabi. Yeah, that's why I'm your daughter. I'm a common phenomenon. Wow. Because leave me alone. Let me so. My Nigeria too big. They are the sickest as they are for her. Yeah, what do you mean? Let me go down. You want me? I mean, you wait for it. You walk back. Yeah, but it's in the fridge. What is tomorrow? What will I drink in the night? Back and play with her. I mean, I love you too, Big Chris. I love you. I'm on holiday. It's strictly enjoyment. I don't feel shout. I'm not used to hard life when I'm in Nigeria, when I'm spending my holidays. Strictly enjoyment. Who they cry for social media? I'm not some people that they cry. Me presenter. I'm not a presenter. So I don't see they cry. I beg if you must see anybody where they cry for the street of social media, I'm gonna help me give them buckets, make cry put. I will handle them when I come back. Now it's strictly for enjoyment with my boo gaga, my godfather, my daddy boo. In fact, too much again. Daddy way they try, I will they lawyer for. Now daddy way they try, I will they lawyer for. Now daddy way they try, I will they caress him body. Not for my this thing. You see what I'm doing here? My total say now. Well, if you have it with mom, we do ya make talo. So where did they stop? Who they Zuzu? And we have also the social media. So we are arresting me. Yeah, where a mess of my Facebook, we are arresting me. What to me, man? Oh, Edzo. Who be that way go see me? We're not gonna like me. Yeah, to go after law. Facebook, they just want pressure. Just make I never go down. Who God bless? No man can cause, not me. Not me. No, well, I'll tell you. This is the VIP suite. It's not a room. It's the VIP suite. That is right. If you can pay for it, this is the VIP suite. That is where I am now. The VIP suite. That's where I've been lodging. And a night cost 60K a night. And this hotel was being paid for, not with my money. So that is to tell you how gallant, precious, classic I am. This hotel was being paid for me. Okay, guys? It was being paid for. Say, go and enjoy yourself based on who you be. You see my big bed with it. You see my bed. See my bed. This is a suite. I have another room there. The suit. Now we they run am. We don't make noise. We don't pass that level where we say, well, they make noise. It gets okay. It gets okay. Contact where you can't get the kind level where you can't reach. You don't make noise. There are some people you don't even want to let your people around you know that you are. You don't even need when you're silent loud or disturbing me. There are some. It will come to a stage in your life. You will not want to let people know that you won't associate with some kind of people. You know? When they just say, you know this kind of person, you say, no, I don't know, then you deny them because of your class. You feel me? Let me be Precious Meg. Let me be Mommy P. That single mother with class. And I can do anything with whatever I want. With this, my everyday last card. So, I mean, that's why you see this year I will not be responding to any Facebook nuisance because I've passed that stage of me responding to some nuisance on social media so that people will not think we have the same category. God forbid. Who like make it just they using my chop shit? The only thing I will just do, I will just be showing off myself because after all, it's in agreement. It's in me. I will care as now. Agreement as now. For now, me it's alone. No, it's in me. So there are people that are psychologically depressed. There are people that are mentally sick. I attended 2 parties today. And believe me, I grooved the party to the end. They dark before we come out there. Now as if we come out. As you can see, I come, take off my clothes, eat. Now I'm going to the shower, bathe, and goddamn, you know. Now how we roll now. Now we they run now. So I don't feel come because fuck me kid, I call the police person. Why would they cry? More than help me give the buckets. Because now, okay, be me, make our face. I want to enjoy myself. You gonna have the ticket. Oh, me. Are you understand me? The money I use for my ticket is too expensive for me to be distracted by nuisance and irrelevant being on social media. You understand? So I'm just that woman I'm just enjoying my holiday. As you can see, I didn't come with my kids. My kids are being taken care of because I wanted to come and enjoy. My ticket to Nigeria was bought for me by my question mark daddy. You hear me? My hotel was being paid for by my. Now so this Nigeria when I come, so I don't spend shishi. Can't be. So for that reason, who they cry, more than me give them buckets. Not be me say make them no fine. Eh, mo when you yevo bia. Eh, mo when ni agbibi rao. As they see me so. This evening, once I dey bath, I see me yesterday entertainment because they see videos, they fly up and down. I'm caressing my daddy. Oh yes, with all due respect, that's my big daddy. I love him so much. I personally post that video because I know that puppies on social media will cry. And I want them to cry. And believe me, I wish you sit behind the shame when I go crazy. But with time, I go they throw them one by one. If I want me to see crazy one, I'll still post one. We have all of them. They inside phone here. I came for fun and I'm flexing 247. Nothing. Nobody can dull me. I dey flex 247. I don't think on Nigeria they hide now. No. I dey waka 247 yesterday. I mean, the Mayala one hour Sunday. I always come home late. I roll around. I dey roll. I dey enjoy myself. If they born you well, try yourself. Now Bini with day. Hey! You fine. You get big breasts. You get big nyash. Because I be cook. Normally, I be wife material. But normally, I don't want marry. Because I want make I dey enjoy myself. They go. My God post picture of all. I'm gonna see the parties where I go to the house. I say rocker. Hey rocker. Hey rocker. Hey rocker. My one rocker is at the end. We not break for our party. We rock from the beginning to the end. You got me? Because we run things don't run us. They be want try themselves, but they don't know say we pass them for the time. Are we the runner? You feel me? Are we the runner? Now me be Precious Meg. You feel me? That name don't pay dues. That name has paid dues. It's not a name you can embarrass the rubbish. You feel me? So before you say you won't do anything, think twice. Azenemon la ogomano sagi agmo ola se go. That's Precious Meg for you. We don't make noise. It's unfortunate that I was once, talked about, like, I was once popular on social media. But let me tell you, this time around, Precious Meg don't have anything to do with social media refrets. The only social media I can proudly recognize myself with right now, when she go talk, I go stand and say yes, is Monica, Mrs. Monica Ambrose, Ajala, aka the real authentic big man wife. OVJ for life. Who wants I go see that? I will not deny her. Come reconcile, stand. She's my sister, and I've taken the chance to love her forever. So if you want to come after me because I'm close to Monica to intimidate me, you're just wasting your time. You're wasting your time because the more you they do and the more I go they love her more. Because I'm the real boss lady. You understand? Or talking at do. Nobody can intimidate who God has blessed. Are you crazy? When Monica no wado shishi. I hear they look and they laugh. So now that's social media. Then now for them do kitty kata. Come, let's do it for eyes, eye to eye. If now Germany there on one more do eye to eye, I take it back. If now Nigeria, I take it back. How now one time I did. Maybe I don't pass that stage where we say you say you won't use one hand to push me. Precious Meg, not possible. It's not possible. It's not possible. Everywhere donor, not even anywhere. I will respect anybody that come after me. I'll respect you. But if you don't want to take my respect, I will rubbish you. That's it. So, if you think because of Monica, you want to intimidate Meg, you are just wasting your time because I will never stop loving her. And if you want to say, go after Monica, come reconcile, Yes. I've chosen her and I've chosen her. If it's okay, I don't fit deal with Meg now. I don't fit deal with anybody with there around Monica. I won't deal with Monica, my dear. You just know it from today that if you are dealing with Monica, you are dealing with Precious Meg herself. Yes, I don't know about her lovers. I know our lovers also will take the chance. So, me, I'm telling you, not be everybody that they use one hand, they push. Don't freeze, I greet you, my love. You feel me? You know, some people just say they just sit down for social media, then they make call, they do kitty kata kata. No, they talk. We know they show our own for social media. But when you come to our territory, we know how to handle people like you. You feel me? You got me? Wanna give me a kiss, Joe? No kissing me. Wait, baby, I need to kiss me. If it's you show, don't kiss me. I'm just respecting you because I know you don't like it. So let me bring it down a little bit. Oh yeah, we're good, Daddy. Oh yeah, we're good. Yeah, we're good. That's so now we dey run now. So now just they do any me I dey enjoy myself. I cash cruise. Oh, but no matter the last see picky fresh. What do you have to say to me? Tell me something.
Super delicious.
Super delicious. Say why you making ya? Nina super delicious. Tell me something else.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato, no. Tell me your potato. Tell me another thing. Tell me no. I'll cry on you.
Best of the best.
Best of the best. See compliment. I they do jiggy. I they boss. Oh, now you're better, you know. Oh, now you're better, you know. Now me they run that. Now me they run that. They mad. What is Zuzu? Hey, but when you are where a rare you wa. Okay, I want to answer Mrs. Iyana ya mwere ya mu yowa. Iya magume love man ya love. Nwunye Monica ya aru de Monica we daddy make be mewa. Amen no na memu egbugu ni me awujo. Because I will never leave these two people. These people are too dear to me. They are in my heart. They are the only people I can caress anywhere. Easy. My daddy work with Mopos. If you see Mopo where they follow my daddy. Ugbori go. Oh, I ain't no bet. Now me stand. Didn't I call your boy where daddy make baby BP again? I got low. And I got low. You know, for me to do that, that's to tell you that we are the inner carcass. When I go cry blood. And when I might the best one I tell you, go price one caterpillar. We know it be industrial caterpillar. And my papa they say. Not be 1, not be 2, not be 10, not be 15. Igokpa, also I have beautiful community. They say when you kiss me small on you. They say when you don't kiss me finish oh. Yeah, when you kiss me, on me. You dey feel me? Yeah, we dey Monica gbe me here, see me here. Yeah, we dey daddy me see me here. More na dey suck. I wish as na they talk now. Say they disturb me for here now for the border. You know they disturb me because the more that they talk, we they take them on a video for Facebook. They cash cruise. My cash a cruise. And we will watch the video later. Do I call about carrots now? No, it's yours now. You want to taste it? Come on, taste it. If you were sure, would like not taste it. It's yours now. Come on. See yours on me. Oh, okay, let's taste it now. Sit down. Show me, give me a little hand. Only your 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 hand. That's that. Now the day I do. Do you protect? I see your mister today. I just a party. I know here. But I see your missed call. I did that party. My get the phone here ring. Mom. My get the phone here ring, daddy. Oh, it's the open itself. Wish to love you more. Thank you. Oh, well, that that's why I call one of the universe. Yeah, you see, and this I say the no original of it. You get this meat. So then, oh, when I pass why I call one of the universe. Now, if my first talk give me, I know my first talk give me that one. I walk when I pass why I call one of the universe. And you know you didn't sense with that. When you are make big kind of social media, my way video in now, my pepper them. They go gala. I mean, only me I eat pepper. I will get why I will never need or go mujo, Igwa mujo. Every day I did not see the outcome. Yeah, I look at her. Do not do anything. Some of them. They are so-called baby father, what they call us, what they put for us. Maybe they never even run there for the past how many months. They are short of water. They be like their radiator don't short of water. Now everybody they prepare them. Because I see no reason or no really everyone come when body they well, when they okay, we go they investigate another person's husband or another single woman. Stanley answer. He said I'll be this saga I did. When I don't see who they shop since then I never seen I take watch videos. My Stanley, good news. You dey feel her. She fresh. You feel her. It's fresh. It's fresh finish. It's only for my honey boo. My boo boo gaga. You can't pay. Only I need ice cream. You need the ice cream. I want lick ice cream this evening. You know now you always treat me like your baby. I need ice cream. Me I want you make them say anything why they order for say if they come to me. Make them for they cry. I want to give them sleepless night. I demanded for Fanta. My honey brought it for me. As of now, I want ice cream, honey. I want it. I have to show it to them here that anything I want, you always give it to me. Only one needs it. It's okay, my they say I be like newborn baby now because they treat me fine. Stone Cold ice cream. Like the one you bought for me, Daddy. I don't know. You have to drive it now. Daddy, now we need ice cream. I need ice cream now. My honey is tired. I don't know. Stone Cold now. Stone Cold is not closed yet. So what's the time? Sure, when we are driving past there at night, they are always open. It's just after 10 now. Not closing now. You want to call? We make calls, man. Let it grace. I only want to put a call across. Hey. I only want to take a call across. I only want to take a call across. It pain there. It pain. You see that they put right there. Oh God, they want Chris. They want Chris. So man, shake boobs for there. Why did they catch me this evening? I mean, don't you want finger food? I got something. I got spring rolls here. No, take her. Yeah. Ice cream now. If I don't eat ice cream this now, I won't sleep. No, my only must provide ice cream for me this night. If Stone Cold is closed, we'll go to Matthijs. Matthijs is always open. So go get it from Matthijs. Let me come out below the pictures of the parties I went to today. Let me come and post them. The party I need you and don't be there, you know. I don't want more than you want to take a hat. Why we? No, Matthijs is open. Stone Cold might be closed, but Matthijs is open. Matthijs is always open. When I take out now, oh, how can I help all these people putting red head? I'll be missing me when I'm depressed. So why we? I'm when you are depressed. Huh? No, no, we have some places normal that they are open 24 hours. No pepper than small. And his Matthijs is closed. They said somebody just wrote that Matthijs is closed. The one that I Tete is not closed now. Tete Abi this or Saple Road. That one at Saple Road is always open now. Yeah. That one. No? Which one? What if the one inside the Yama? Where we went to that day? It must be open though. I'll go to that big GT near BIU. One big GT before BIU. For Ogbo. The big one. I even passed there last Wednesday. They said I should relax with natural ice cream. That one is short. Natural ice cream is short now. For I see, wait, you not get so. What's it gonna happen? I will realize can check up. I'm gonna have the ticket to wake me up. Don't please, I love you. They're not gonna sleep tonight, oh. Yeah, so they're not gonna sleep. I didn't sabi oh, boy, can they? Yeah, Sally, I will not mind just pleading on your behalf, Daddy. Here when the angel with Oga that I should not bother him. Okay, let me listen to them because they are my lovers. Don't worry, man. Don't stress again. Stop the cause. Stop it, the cause on it. Don't stress. I don't want to stress my baby boy. My daddy boo boo gaga. My boo boo daddy gaga. My dee. Some people just imagine I want to hang my leg this night. See, body. Their body fresh like this. No stretch Marco. Their body fresh. They get fresh body. They get fresh body. They fine like me. They fine like me. See, I'm on no stretch Marco. My body be like butter. And you're not burger one. And you're not burger one. See, inside my suit. I don't want to take it around because I don't want you guys to see some things. If I show that things and I go, hey, yes. And you come and give me a kiss. I want kiss. I want kiss. Don't sit down, you wake me. Sit down. You wake me. Yo, thank you, Stanley Handsome. You're so cute too. Thank you so much, darling. They say my drink starts with palm wine. No, baby, come back. Oh no, you can make palm wine way fridge. Baby, come back. Now we start with palm wine. You want maybe I only finish me this night. Stanley Handsome, thank you so much. Thank you, darling. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, guys. I'm so happy. Thank you, guys. Thanks for being here. I only said I should drop
Okay. Try.
I tried there.
Don't break.
Yeah, I'm stopping it now. I'm stopping it. No, just 2 minutes more. Just 2 minutes to say bye-bye. And I don't confuse Onina. Make it not go buy me ice cream this night. Mao, what time now? My love, when they follow us, Kimbo Levis, when they follow us, it means we are special. We got what they don't have. I love you too, Tasha, too cute. I love you, darling. I love you, my baby, sugar babe, you're sweet. I love you. I appreciate you guys. King Richie, enjoy yourself. No time. Yeah, that's sure. I'm doing that right away. Yeah, no, ma, you know now. I've obeyed you guys, so. And I say, me daddy no buy me ice cream this night. It's alright. Now, my fans are even supporting you. They say you should not buy me ice cream. No, I igwa. Nya tiny. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. I'm gonna leave you guys right now because it's time to Oni Dok Panayo. No, Oni now. There you go. The green one, my own. Oh, it's a good night, team. It's a good night for me. It's a good night, baby. I come and stay with you. Give my back the good night. Yeah, make you show my way. No, you can come here. You can come here, hon. Again, before. It's a good night, Tingy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We are not showing anymore. Nee, I don't drove no way. I don't drove now. You see? Come on, see that? Don't let this thing flash in your face.